Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
By the gods of our land. Ẹ̀yin do Biafra land. Now he send me. Before I come out, I don't pay for inside Biafra. Becky no back high listing. You don't reach 3 months for this struggle. Now you go come out for air. They talk. Say people. They sabotage. And now you be the person. When above beneath they use. Now you be the person. When they use. To bring waiting our prime minister, they fight for that. You go still come out for air. They talk. So people, when they don't know something about spiritual, they go still come out, they talk. Although I don't blame those people because they don't know anything. But in advice I want give una. Those people, when you don't know anything, when Becky they talk, una they support her because he put something for his tongue. He get waiting, he take the rub before he come out. Make people, they say, oh, the word when they talk. Becky say he borrow money, they don't give her money. Money when they pay her. Make him make sure say he bring the work. When only do the language for dungeon. When many souls they die for Biafra land. Becky, you not fit. Becky, you not fit. Becky, may we come to reality. If you know say your hand is clean, may you this thing where you they come out. May they put me and you. You there for Jamie. Me they pay. May they put me and you. When song will come out, we go face up. May you lay a course. If above beneath, they not bribe you with money to destroy the work of BN, the work of Biafra. If you know they use it, something they rob before you come out. Anything when you they talk, make people they believe you. If you not get 3 ring, when you put for men hand there, those true men when he back you for back. The one where you do now, what you they do now it be a cons. Now it be a cons. Becky, don't let me disgrace you finish. Oh. He never reached that atmosphere stage. I want hang down one first. Becky, nothing where you go do secretly. When the gods of the land not go bring her out, Becky. Nothing. Nothing when you go do. The things when you they do now. Let me tell you, Becky. If anything do, Biafra said. When you they use agbons, they find Biafra seed. If anything do one, now you go know. Now you go know. Or everything when you they do, the message, the person when it be say, in with the Biafra, in with agbons. If you not they bias. If you not, they not bribe you. Why the woman when in with the agbons come up for this place? They come up for this thing they want when you send that to Benin. Why it be said there is Benin? No only at once they not allow that woman know what thing that they do. And Becky, if you really say you innocent, say you really fight for Biafra. Becky, you use her to touch grant for spiritual. Say Igodo no go be part of Biafra. Now the message when they say you be that, make they give you that money, make you go to one. You come to Biafra struggle because of our prime minister. Becky, may we set time, may you call late cause because you can never, that thing go react quick. Make me and you fair money song. They go set time. As you say you be innocent. Come out. People when they see road, they know the kind of person where you be, Becky. You come out, they talk rubbish. I only blame people when still they let you. They enter that place, they broadcast. Now they don't want the freedom of Biafra. Because if anything happen to people when they fight for Biafra, for Edo State, Becky, if anything happen to them, you go see. You go see. So you carry Agbons go Benin. Agbons reach Benin. Person where you with and go. Agbons for straight and for straight. If in a genu, if you with Agbons no one day bring this struggle down. Why person when he follow Agbons go Benin? Why everything will not do? Why be saying only they enter inside where you send and go? You carry and go about people. Make them wait. Why then? I never want to talk go deep. I never want to talk go deep because now you still open my mouth. Now you still open my mouth. The gods of the land purposely bring me come out. The way when you take kidnapping at the canoe before. For our PN, it not go happen. By the grace of Chukwu Okikabiana and our ancestors, it not go happen again. It not go happen. It not go happen. You take out the knack for spiritual say, coastal region, Igodomigodo, none of them go become Biafra. Becky, I bet you lie. I bet you physically and spiritually say you lie. You lie, Becky, not back high. You lie. Becky, not back high. You lie. You lie. The money when you pack give at once, when it pass put for chest, they run. The gods of the land, they go disgrace you and at once. Not be by my power, by the power of God Almighty and our ancestors. Everything when on our plan, it go destroy. And even do as I to touch the land of Igodomigodo. Everything when on our plan, it destroy. It destroy. The gods of our land, the eye, they monitor. Oh, you back in back high. The mission, when it make you come, when you never reach 3 months, you want fly for air. That power, that is spiritual power. When it there inside you, that thing when you put for your eye, when it there inside your eye, the gods of the land, and it did what we do with our following hero. And people, when it don't die for Biafra land, the blood go destroy all on our plan. So shall it be. So shall it be. The blood go destroy on our plan. You come, they talk rubbish for air. You they talk. Make my people, make I play the rubbish things when he talk there yesterday. Make a prayer, Mona hear. I got take and come out there. I enter when I see I go remove her. Make una hear what he talk. He go borrow money with us. Now money when they give her for blue, Ghana must go. When they give Becky the money finish for spiritual. When they give Becky a number high finish, he choose something for mouth. When he choose the thing, he blow her for the back of the money. He say any person when he give her money, anything when he talk now he go they follow. As he pack the money, give her boss. I must bow for her for night. Many people see her. Many people, many spiritual people see her when they fight. Now let me come out. Now let me the gods of the land bring come out. So they bring unanika they come out. Now let me. They bring come out. People they secretly. When they see everything when Oba they do. When the agent of Oba, when they do. With the see her. That they see her. Now let me because me. I promise. If I not fit remove Oba, I go die, remove her, then I go reconnect again. That is my promise. Any person when he want become barrier, even if now my family, now my brother wife, anywhere the person dey, I go remove her. I go remove her. The gods of the land go remove her, not be me. They go remove her. Any person. Who be Oba? Oba when he not reach me park? Who be that power? Where that power dey? Where God Almighty they look at? Any power there when he big reach God Almighty? Make I tell you, Becky not back high. Everything where you they do. Not be only me. Now let me you know. Only me you know. Physically and spiritually. But people they. Pantry cover there. You not go fit see them. You know say if pantry get picking, you go carry your follow body. Does it your with this thing when they bring the children of pantry, he cover them. No power. No power of Oba when he go pull her to see those people. Not the power. In not day. When he go pull her. No power. Becky and back I listen God. They send you. The gods of the land know you. The day and everything. As soon as they arrange as you take home. They know. You not fit do anything. That knock where you knock grant for where you did for your coven. The promise where you promise Oba stay coastal region with Igodomigodo. They not go fit become Biafra. Na lie. The spirit of that land, they put you into a shame. They dig you, put for grant. They dig you, put for grant. You know the power where you they battle with. Becky no back you wanna try come out to say na you. You say na you go fit do one. You go fit come challenge the daughters of ancestors, the daughters of the land. Becky no back look me and look me good. That hand when you take that grant, na failure you be. You not fit succeed. Biafra. That plan, when make them send you, you come out now before people, you say now you will go. Becky, see my face and see I'm good. That thing where you put for your eye. Look this video. That thing, the gods of the land and angel of God. The power, when he say Biafra must restore. That power, when he puts in at the canoe for his mama womb. Oba no fit put, Oba no fit create person. Put her for his mama womb. That power, when he bring in at the canoe come life. He pass you, Becky. He pass you. All that in the kind of matter where you they enter space, go they talk, they measure your name. Now, moment you measure your name, your power go they vanish. That's the word of the gods of our land and God Almighty. Moment you measure Onyedu, our King, prophet of today and tomorrow, the power when you think say you get, that power will vanish. That is the word of the gods of our land. Becky no back high. Why you they lie? Why you get twisting mouth? Becky no back high. You think save me with you they face to face. The way where you take come out yesterday, they talk rubbish. You go fit talk. I go chop you like pineapple. Princess Odohunoje, the daughter of ancestors. No power on earth. Any power there when it big past God Almighty. Biafra when God ordained. Una when be let be no una destroy and say no. God no ordain her. Una say God no ordain Biafra. Una when be lile your father say God no ordain Biafra. I tell you, Allah's warrior queen, you bring that name the voter put for night. One Biafra witches and wizard, he give you that name for space. He give you that name. And that person has signed the TB for the politician. Now he give you that name. The name when they cook for night. But the gods of our land and God Almighty bring the name. Anybody, if Becky no back they talk alas, warrior queen they talk for space. Any person they support and the gods of the land they say that person, they go visit that person. Because we don't know. Becky na poison for the struggle of Biafra. Na big poison where we need to vomit out. Oh. Big poison. Big poison. Now Becky no back I be. When everybody need to vomit out. Vomit them away. For Biafra struggle. Now the word of the gods of our land. The following hero. The people when they die. When their spirit come out. With the uniform of army. They say Becky na person. Na poison. When everybody go vomit out. For Biafra struggle. Becky no back high. Only that name know. Una go know. He carry people. He send people. Becky never read 3 years. Yeah, 3 months. We when he dead, they fight. We not see people bring for Benin for Edo. We not get people when we go bring come out. Or we not fit bring people. When he be say Nain, we never read 3 months for inside us. Nain can carry Akmos. The woman when he follow and go. Akmos betrayed that woman. They abandoned her for one place. In with Becky. Inside that woman's house. Now with Akmos. That Akmos spent 2 weeks for that woman's house. 2 weeks. They planning to that Edo. When they reach Edo, Becky said 30,000. Give Akmos, made they enter Moto. Made they go. As Becky sent 30,000. Yeah, Victoria. Becky buy power bank 50,000. Becky, he do many things. He press Akmos for salary. He press Akmos for salary. Akmos reached the Edo. He abandoned the woman. He not even get transport money to go. Now Becky still can return transport money to that woman. What did they want to do? Woman, when he be say na big person for the region when he day for Biafra struggle. Now he even teach Akmos things. Akmos he can reach the family of Oba. They no allow her enter. The plan where they want plan, they do it for the back of the woman. Akmos he tell her sit down there. He abandon her. He call Akmos. Akmos they let the woman know what they arrange with the Becky. Una to say na freedom fighter na Becky be. for stream. My people, my Biafra people, I will not allow it. I will not allow the promise of the people when he sent Becky come to work. That is my job. That is what the gods of the land bring me to do. I wish I did. Therefore, not feel kidnapping at the canal. The many when they send, we get too much enemy for Biafra struggle. Becky when he come in every 3 months. Now he be Percy. When they say another person, they sabotage. Now he be Percy when he want bring people for coastal region. The medicine when it they do, they never see come out from our eye. Upon all the gods of the land, they remove the medicine. I never see wise. Una never see wise. People when they fight, the cause is there. Percy, when he see, he find your Joshua the lawyer, he bring her out. He talk about her. He talk about Lely. He talk about many things when the governor they do. They send a message to Dokupo. He talk. They send a message to Bitanyaku. He deliver her. Now that person come they sabotage. Now Becky come out for they say they sabotage. You see people come out, they contribute to his side. Una know they think. Say something they under it. Una know they think. That is my work. When make the gods of the land choose me as the daughters of the land, the princess of ancestors. That bring me out for purpose of this struggle. Not be to see vision for people. Not be to see what did they happen for family. No, to see for this struggle. That is why I be choosing one when they bring comments. Becky, the gods of the both people in the stream for not to know the truth. Mona set me and Becky to look money song lay cost there. Becky go look her for 2 hours. I go look her for 2 hours. Because if they to spiritual, may we see who go fight, bring it. Person when he go fit carry eye conda. I want make una put us for that thing. May we know who they talk through. May we know. Princess of ancestors come out now. How we go tell know who they talk to? More than know how now go they talk, eh? People when you don't know anything concerning spiritual. More than know how now they talk because the gods of the land, small mistake, they go strike. They go strike. They don't know whether you they fight they come for 200 years. They don't know. Becky, una clap hand follow her. When never 3 months. 3 months. He enter true love. He abandoned the first love. He enter second love. Another third love. He get 3 ring. He feels something. Finland will never go know everything about that. Una still the doubt? Now let English una fit speak. Una not fit find out to something. Now let you language when up you now. Oh, now una fit talk. Abandon una language. Use tongue throw away language when up you. They speak language when up you now. Una not fit find how the Biafra go take come. Una they took people when they put money. No, you can put money 200 years. Spiritual not day. Biafra not go come.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.